Hello friends. Then example number 2 from this practice set. Example number 2. In adjoining figure, O is center of circle. From point R, segment RM and RN are tangent. RM, RN are tangent, touching the circle at M and N. If OR 10, OR is given 10, radius of circle 5 centimeter, then what is the length of each tangent? So first question is find MR. MR is tangent segment, so find length of MR, also NR. Find the length of each tangent. Then second is what is measure of angle MRO? MRO. Measure of angle MRO. And what is measure of angle MRN? MRN. Third question. Measure of angle MRN. So this is question number 2 from this. Given information OR 10, radius of circle 5. So to find MR, if we saw a tangent to circle and it is at the end point of radius, then it is perpendicular. This is most important rule or property. Use this property first and this example becomes easy. कोणत्याही आकृतीमध्ये वर्तुळाला जर तुम्हाला स्पर्शिका काढलेली असेल तर ताबडतोब त्रिज्या काढा आणि त्रिज्येला तो लंब दाखवा, म्हणजे तुमची आकृती आणि तुमचं गणित सोपं होऊन जातं. आणि म्हणून या ठिकाणी बघा, हा जर राईट अँगल असेल त्याच्याबद्दल पहिली प्रॉपर्टी लिहा, दॅट इज टँजंट ड्रॉन at end point of radius is perpendicular. And therefore measure of angle M, it is 90. Also measure of angle N, it is also 90 degree. So this is first property. And then use Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem for triangle OMR. OMR. So opposite to right angle, that is hypotenuse. So OR square is equal to OM square plus MR square. OM square plus MR square. So put values OM, that is 5 square, OR, that is 10 square, and plus MR square. So MR square is equal to square of 10, that is 100, square of 5, that is 25, and take here, and so MR square is equal to 75. Taking square root, MR is equal to root 75. So it is 25 into 3, square root of 25, that is 5, and root 3. So MR is equal to 5 root 3. Also NR, therefore NR also 5 root 2, because these two tangent segments are congruent. Tangent segments drawn from external point of circle are congruent. We know this property. So therefore NR is equal to 5 root 3. So answer of this first question is like this. So write it clearly. व्यवस्थित लिहा. अतिशय सोपं आहे. काही त्यामध्ये केवळ पायथागोरसचं प्रमेय वापरलंय. हा कर्ण आहे, ही एक बाजू आहे, ही तिसरी बाजू काढलेली आहे. त्यामुळे तुम्हाला ते उत्तर सहज लिहिता येईल. देन सेकंड पॉइंट, measure of angle MRO. MRO, that is observe length opposite to opposite to angle, that is 5, and hypotenuse, that is 10. So the side is half of hypotenuse. कर्णाच्या निम्मी आहे. And we know about theorem 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. 30, 60, 90 degree triangle, that is side opposite to 30 degree is half of hypotenuse. So for second, using converse of 30, 60, 90 degree triangle, 30-90 प्रमेयाचा व्यत्यास इथे वापरतोय. MO is 5, OR given 10, and therefore MO is half of OR, that is half of hypotenuse. कर्णाच्या निम्मी आहे या MO ची लांबी. And therefore measure of angle MRO, it is 30 degree. Measure of angle MRO, that is 30 degree, converse of 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. So it is second question. And the third is measure of angle MRN. We know that these two triangles are congruent, and therefore corresponding angles are congruent. Measure of this angle is 30, so similar this angle also of 30 degree. And therefore for 3, triangle OMR congruent with triangle ONR. These two triangles are congruent, and therefore measure of angle MRO is equal to measure of angle NRO, and it is 30 degree. And therefore measure of angle MRN total, that is 60 degree. So this is it. हे दोन्ही त्रिकोण एकरूप का आहेत? तर कर्णभुजा कसोटी, हायपोटेनस साइड थेरम. कर्णभुजा कसोटीनुसार हा कर्ण कॉमन आहे आणि ही भुजा या भुजेला एकरूप आहे. रेडियस ऑफ सेम सर्कल, therefore these two triangles are congruent. So in this way write all answers clearly. And the third example for this, discussion only. Write clearly you in your notebook. I will discuss only. मी हा फक्त चर्चा करणार आहे, तुम्ही ते व्यवस्थित लिहू शकता. फक्त कसं सोडवायचं आहे एवढीच माहिती इथे देतोय. OR MN. So the question is segment RM and segment RN are tangent. RN are tangent segments of a circle with center O. Prove that segment OR bisect angle MRN. So we have to prove To prove first, OR is bisector of angle MRN. This is first we have to prove. Also, as well as it is MON. OR is bisector of angle MON. We have to prove this. So for this, these two triangles are congruent. We know that because this is right angle, this is right angle. So these two triangles are right angled triangle. Their hypotenuse are common. Their radius are also equal, that is congruent, and therefore using hypotenuse side theorem. बघा या दोन काटकोन त्रिकोणामध्ये सगळ्यात पहिलं वाक्य हा काटकोन त्रिकोण पाहिजे. मेजर ऑफ एंगल M, मेजर ऑफ एंगल N, इट इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. या दोन्ही कोणांचं माप 90 अंश आहे. का आहे? सो टेंजेंट at end point of radius are perpendicular. Tangent at the end point of radius are perpendicular, therefore measure of both these angle is 90 degree. And then triangle OMR and triangle ONR. In triangle OM congruent with ON, radius of same circle, these two are equal. OR congruent with OR, that is common side, and therefore these two triangles OMR congruent with triangle ONR because of hypotenuse side test. या दोन त्रिकोणात हा कर्ण आहे, ही भुजा आहे. कर्ण भुजा कसोटीने हे दोन त्रिकोण एकरूप असतील. These two triangles are congruent, and if two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding angles are also congruent, and therefore angle MRO congruent with angle NRO, corresponding angles. हे दोन कोण एकरूप आहे. संगत कोण एकरूप. दोन त्रिकोण एकरूप आहेत म्हणून त्यांचे संगत कोण एकरूप. हे संगत कोण एकरूप. आणि जर हे दोन कोण एकरूप असतील तर नक्की हा OR, therefore OR is a bisector of angle MRN, and this is true. This is first sentence is true. Also in this situation these two are also corresponding angles. Angle MOR congruent with angle NOR. MOR congruent with NOR, and therefore OR is a bisector of angle MON. या MON चा हा OR हा सुद्धा विभाजक आहे. का तर हे दोन कोण एकरूप आहेत. corresponding angles are congruent because these two triangles are congruent. तर अशा प्रकारे ही सिद्धता आहे. अतिशय सोपी आहे. एकदा दोनदा लिहिलीत की कायमची तुमच्या लक्षात राहील अशी आहे. तर व्यवस्थित प्रश्न लिहा, व्यवस्थित त्याची उत्तरं एकाखाली एक लिहा आणि आपण इथे थांबणार आहोत. थँक्यू.